If your coding skills feel like a blank page, you're in the right place. Let's get you started with Python. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn. It's like learning a new language, but much more fun and way cooler. First, download Python from python.org. Don't worry, it's free. Next, find an easy-to-follow tutorial or a beginner's course online. YouTube has tons of great content. Start with the basics: variables, loops, and functions. Think of variables as containers for your stuff, loops as repeat buttons, and functions as magic tricks you create. Practice every day. Even just 10 minutes can make a big difference. Try small projects like a simple calculator or a game. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Join online communities to get help and stay motivated. Reddit, Stack Overflow, and Discord are full of friendly folks ready to help you out. So what are you waiting for? Start your Python journey today and watch your skills grow. Happy coding!